Good morning, guys. We've got a nice rain-free day coming up here, so I'm gonna head to the client's house. My goal is to get these post anchors set in some small concrete footings. I've got to run by Home Depot to grab some bags of premix and get to shoveling and mixing concrete. Well, that was an expensive couple bags of concrete, but I can't pass up a deal, and I need a cordless skill saw. So today, if you bought the saw, you got a $169 battery for free. So who am I to turn that down? So this is going to be the location of the covered fire pit structure. As you can see, the fire pit's already here. It's a 5-foot diameter circle. I'm going to build a 10 by 12 structure with a chimney, and it's going to be pretty cool. Corrugated metal roof. So first order of business is to lay out the footings and square it all up. Oh my gosh. To figure out square, you measure diagonally from your first 2 points, and then you measure out your second 2 points and figure out which way you need to move those stakes in order to be square. I don't know how it happened, but this was exactly 206 inches diagonally on both of them. perfectly square, first try. Don't ask me to do it again. Don't ask me how it happened this time, but I'll take it. Whew. I think I've been sitting in an excavator too long. Well, I'm gonna go grab those bags of pre-mix, get them mixed up, and I'm gonna set up a string line around all of these stakes so that I can square up all the post anchors, and that'll just about do it for today. Well, wouldn't you know it, I went down to the house to turn on the hose to start mixing up concrete, and the hose bibs are turned off for the winter, and the homeowners are on vacation, so I don't have any way to get to water right now to mix up concrete. So I've got all the holes dug, they're squared, I've got a string line ready. So as soon as they get back in town, we'll get the water turned on, get these post anchors set, and continue with the build. I appreciate you watching. Sorry this was a short one, but well, it is what it is. Well, it was definitely a bummer about the lack of water for mixing concrete over there, but it's not even noon, and it is one of the nicest days we've had in a while around here, so why not head up to the mill and make some of those 4x6s I'm going to need for braces. Well, I'm going to start out by making lemonade out of the lemons I made yesterday. I'm going to cut the taper out of this. It's 6 inches at the saw head end, 7 at this. I'm going to cut it 6 inches all the way across. Then I'll put it up on its end and cut 4-inch slabs out of it and make some 4x6s. Well, fortunately, I was able to salvage those screw-ups from yesterday with minimal waste. I probably lost an inch of thickness, which didn't really amount to anything anyway, given the size of the log and the size of the material I needed. So that worked out well. I've got this log on the mill now, and I have an idea for another video that I want to do that explains how the sawmill works itself, how the hydraulics work, how the simple set works, what the debarker does, and just kind of an in-depth video. I know I've talked about this in the past, but I have an opportunity now to do that, and I think it'd be a good video. So stay tuned. Appreciate you guys watching this one, and we'll see you soon.